Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the server ready. Make sure your Aternos instance is running the same Minecraft Java version as your client. Once done, pick a lightweight voice mod that supports Aternos and confirm it requires Fabric or Forge. Install that loader on both server and client. You should upload the server-side mod to Aternos mods and then install the identical mod file in your local mods folder. Make sure usernames and mod versions match. Mismatches are the most common cause of connection failures. Once the mod files are in place, you need to configure settings both in the mod and on Aternos. You open the mod config game or via files and set the voice port, codec quality, and whether you want proximity or global voice. Next, on Aternos, set server properties to allow the chosen port and verify Aternos permits custom ports. If not, use the mod's relay option. Restart the server so changes apply. Then have one friend join to confirm audio connects and levels are reasonable before inviting everyone. To finish, make sure you and your friends grant microphone permissions to Minecraft and select the correct input device in your OS. Join the server and test voice, speak and confirm others hear you. If voice fails, first check that everyone has identical mod versions, the server port is open, and server logs show no errors. These reveal handshake or binding problems. A quick resolution is to restart the client, reinstall the mod, or reset the mod config cache. If one user still cannot connect, swap to the mod's relay or global.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.